Hello guys, how to fix Windows can't find java.exe error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. To fix this issue, simply go to Windows search, type sysdm.cpl and open it in control panel item. From the top menu bar, click on advanced, thereafter go to environmental variables. Here under system variables, select the option path. Double click on it to open. Here click on new and you should assign a name of this path. To find out the path, go to Windows search, type javaw and open its file location. In file explorer, copy its path location, right click on it and choose copy as path location. Copy it and again go to the control panel window and here under new paste this copied path. Press OK. Again press OK. And it will be definitely resolve your issue. Windows can't find java.exe in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. Restart your system and close your Windows. That's all.